does Grandpa want for his birthday?
Hugs and kisses.
A happy family. Can we be happy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's give lots of love. This is how our family should be. Like that. Okay, lots of hugs. Now it's time for family prayer. But first, let's sing happy birthday to Grandpa, okay?
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Grandpa. Happy birthday to you.
Peace.
This is definitely not. The boys know that they're not having their picture taken. It's live video. What do you think, Hazel?
Hazel, say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay.
She loves books.